crime that only grows darker when you lift the lid off it. Human trafficking. Here in conversation with the student to know the perspective of today's youth.
Hi, this is Vaishali.
Okay, so human trafficking is the fastest growing criminal activity. What do you think are the reasons for this rapid growth?
The main reason for this, the growth of this crime is because of the gap which we have in our society, that is, between the poor strata of society and the upper strata of society. The money flow is basically blocked and it's causing an imbalance due to which, the poor always keep on running behind the money and the rich always take, undue advantage of them. So, there becomes a loophole which is being taken advantage of.
Okay, so what according to you is the worst form of trafficking?
According to me, I guess it will be sex trafficking because, it is a personal choice of a person. But once you're caught into this kind of traffic, you don't have any choice left. It's like killing a person without actually killing them.
Yeah, right. So what we as youth can do?
Being, today's youth, we have a lot of access to different medias. We can use them to, make our society better, make our nation better. For example, you can educate people around you which you think are on the verge of getting into this kind of traffic. You can spread awareness to people around you whom you think should know about it, and you should ask for help for those who you think can help you.
Right. So what according to you are the circumstances under which a person becomes the victim of trafficking?
In India, if you talk about, it's basically due to poverty and for money today, parents are ready to sell their daughters, organs. I mean, there's so much of need of money, employment, unemployment, it's whole lot of a vicious circle which goes around, and due to which one soul gets stuck in it, and to get out of it they have to just sell a soul for it.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
You're welcome.